One of the signs of compressor failure is when you turn on your AC, you hear some funny noise from the engine. That could be from the compressor. One major sign is when your AC starts blowing warm air or no air at all. That means the compressor might be faulty. If your AC dey cool only for morning and for night, and e go just dey blow ordinary air for afternoon, na compressor don dey fail be that.
E dey cool when you speed but blow hot for hold up. Compressor don weak. Even with gas, they no dey chill. My brother, change that compressor o.
Quickly bring the car for quality compressor and condenser replacement to Variable Cooling Services for proper installation.